This is Owo Nkanu East, Enugu, and I'm going to be showing you what this part of Owo looks like. I started making this video from Golden Gate Estate, which is currently selling for 750,000 naira in Owo. This is the cheapest estate I know of. Now, only 50 plots will be sold for 750,000 naira, and the rest will be sold for 1.5 million naira. This offer lasts till the 31st of May. So this is the opportunity for you now to invest in a very affordable and cheap property here in Enugu State. You can buy as many plots as you want for your investment or land banking so that you will make massive return on your investment, because once the construction of this road is done, it's going to be amazing. In this video, I will be showing you everything you need to know and the current developments in Owo and in this area in particular. And I'll also be educating you on some things you need to know before investing your money in this location. You need to know the basics of this environment, the current infrastructures, and everything that is going on in this particular location, okay? So stay with me to the end of this video, enjoy the ride while I inform you on everything I have observed so far and why it is a good investment for you. Now, as you can see, they have started the construction of the dual carriage road, which will have a double lane, and the good thing about Golden Gate Estate is that it is on the major road, adding to the value of the land. Now, like I said, it is currently on a pre-launch sale of 750,000 naira and to be increasing to 1.5 million naira from the 31st of May. It is good for both investment and land banking. Now, this road is going to be leading to the new Enugu city, which is 5 minutes drive from Golden Gate Estate, and it's also going to be leading to Enugu-Nsukka Express Road. This area is close to the governor's house. It is like 5 minutes drive away from the governor's house, and there's a lot of things going on here, okay? The governor is actively ensuring that this estate, this community experiences the glory of what a typical modern society should look like. So on our way out of this community, you'll be seeing a lot of infrastructures such as the new Enugu Smart School. You have the health center, you have the governor's house, the agro processing markets, and lots more. A lot of companies are in this particular location, which makes it very, very, very good for your investment. There's a lot of growth and development going on in this area, and this is to show you that Pitamba means business, and this area will be fully occupied very soon. A lot of individuals, investors are making sure they own a piece of this amazing Owo community. Now, they are making sure they make massive profits when the construction of this road is fully done. Now, according to the governor, this road will be connecting to Enugu-Abakaliki Road, and it will also be connecting to Enugu-Nsukka Express Road, like I said, and it will be extending to Enugu East, Enugu North, Enugu South, and Nkanu West local government area. One thing I noticed about this neighborhood is that they have a lot of factories and agricultural companies too. Alright, both the locals and investors are into agricultural business and other productions, and this boosts the value of this area, making it massive when the road will be fully constructed. There is a lot of things going on in Owo currently, so if you have not invested yet, now is the best time for you to do that. Now is the right time for you to do that before the value of land goes up in this area, and it's going to be massive. If there's anything I know about Enugu, it's how fast the price of land goes up within a very short period of time, especially if the government shows interest in that particular area. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity while waiting for the Enugu Smart City to be completed. Now, Owo has close proximity to the Enugu International Airport. It is also close to Enugu town too, alright? Now, this location is 6 minutes drive to Osisatec Polytechnic and College of Education Owo campus. There is even a proposed Ekemene flyover less than 15 minutes away from here, and you also get to see it in our video today. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because there's a lot of exploring for you to do. Right? So this area is an ideal spot that promises rapid appreciation and a golden chance for you to earn massive profit in the future. Now, there are processes to follow when buying a property in Enugu State. Number one, you need to come for your inspection. Either you come by yourself, that is physically, or you get your representative to be there for you. If you're not in Nigeria, then we can hold a virtual inspection for you so that you see what the property looks like, so that you see what the location looks like. The second thing you need to do is confirm the title of the property. You do your personal search to make sure that this is 100% genuine and you are buying into the right plot or the right property here in Owo. Then you can go ahead and fill out the application form for the land, after which you can make payments. You can go ahead and make your payment for that particular land. After you have done this, you'll be getting your receipts and documents. That is either your deed of assignment, your power of attorney, or your survey. It depends on the property you are buying into. All right, this will help you secure your investment in the future. Right now, these are the steps you need to take to secure your investment in this current location. With the new Enugu city coming up, the Ekemene flyover, and other infrastructures that is coming up around there, the potential for growth in this area is immeasurable. It is massive. So make sure you don't sleep on this at all, and act now while you can before the prices of land in this location goes up. Thank you so much for staying here with me to the end, and make sure to watch this video to the end. Do not forget to watch this video to the end, because you need to get the full picture of what is going on here. You need to see what you're investing your money in. Okay, now if you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting investment opportunities. All right, and for more drive-through videos like this one. Remember, time waits for no one, so make sure you call me now. Act fast. Call me now while the offer still stands, because this is a golden opportunity for you to invest in Owo, Enugu. All right, make sure you give me a call today, and happy investing, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.